Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the app lock in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on security and privacy, scroll down. Here you can see the option app lock, tap on this one. So first we need to turn on this option app lock. Now we need to set the privacy password. Okay, for this tap on settings and here we need to enter the 6 digit. So if you want to change any password type, then select the option use different password type, and from here you can select the password type. So here I am going to select the option pattern, then draw the pattern, again confirm the pattern. So here we need to enter the answer of the security question. Actually, in case if you forgot your privacy password, using the security question answer you can easily reset your privacy password. So don't forget this one. Now we need to select the app. After set the privacy password, we need to select the applications that we want to set the app lock. So simply here I am going to set the app lock for, just wait. Here I am going to set the app lock for the WhatsApp, turn on, then photos, then Instagram also. Now let me show you how it works. Now I am going to open the application WhatsApp. Now you can see they are asking for the privacy password. Draw the pattern, it is unlocked. Now the second one, Instagram, I am going to open. Here also they are asking for the privacy password. Draw it, it is unlocked. So simply without any third party application you can easily set the app lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.